welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Marnelli, and if you guys are new, welcome and thank you for watching this video. As you can see on the title, I am doing another Dalgona coffee, but not the recipe this time, but I am doing a review on this electric milk frother that I got from Amazon, and this is by Zulay Kitchen. So I wanted to give it a try, you guys, because this is my first time to use this gadget, this kitchen gadget. So let's see how it works and how easy it is to make this Dalgona coffee using this gadget. So if you guys wanted to see all that, please keep on watching. And of course, if you have any comments, comment below what do you think about this gadget. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start. So I have all the ingredients ready, my decaf coffee, and already added some hot water into the bowl. And just add 1 teaspoon of coffee. Then I'm gonna add the sugar, and I usually use brown sugar, and I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons into the bowl. Then the most important thing on this video is using this electric milk frother. You just have to press and hold the button to whisk, and it's gonna start spinning. So with this gadget, you guys, you're gonna be needing 2 AA batteries because when you purchase it, the batteries are not included. So once you achieve that whip consistency, you're ready to add your ice and milk. It's really good, you guys. Really good. And it's easier if you use the electric milk frother. So I got this from Amazon, and this is by Zulay Kitchen. So this is actually my second order. Not exactly second order, but a replacement, I'm sorry. So my first order, I did not receive it, so I have to contact the seller, and they actually replaced it for another one. And as a courtesy that I did not receive my order, they gave me a free one. And this is a teal color, so they have different colors, you guys, so you should check it out. You should check out their website, or you can go to Amazon, and I will link everything down below. And I'm also planning, because I don't know what to do with this, so I'm also planning to do as a giveaway, to add this as a giveaway if I will make it to the 1K subscribers. So hopefully that will be soon. So let me know, you guys, comment below if you would like to add this as a giveaway for 1K subscribers. And also let me know what you think about the video today, the electric milk frother. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, you guys. Oh, and don't forget to click the notification button for next updated videos. And yeah, so thank you for watching, you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.